If you are someone who likes volume, this video is for you. We are going to go over a curl hack that will massively help add volume to your hair. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Barbara Delmonica. On today's video, we're going to be chatting about the DesignMe Bounce Me Curl Spray Gel. This is inside of your May 2024 Curls Monthly mailer. So if you're a Curls Monthly subscriber, hello. If you're not a Curls Monthly subscriber, Curls Monthly is basically my curly hair subscription service where each month I send you 5+ of the best curly hair products to your doorstep so you can try them, fall in love, and then buy your perfect curly hair products. I will make sure to link below if you're not already subscribed. So let's chat about this hairspray. This is a multitasking spray that's designed to provide moisture, create hold, retain curls, and add definition. It's also going to help guard against flyaways, which is really great. It does contain some protein, so it's going to help bounce your hair between wash days. It's great for refreshes, it's great for styling routines, it's great for just like getting away those little frizzy bits and those little frizzy flyaways. And it certainly will also add shine, which is really great because I know sometimes in between wash days, it starts looking a little dull. This is really gonna be great for anybody who wants extra hold to their hair. Again, I'll go over a method that will really use this product to give us a lot of extra volume at the end of a wash day routine, but really anybody can use this type of a product. So you can use this at the end of your styling routine, which I'll show you how I'm going to do at the end of this video. You can also use it for refreshes. So you can just take some of this spray, find any type of like frizzy portion, and then just spray the spray directly on that frizzy portion, and then it will just help the frizz eliminate, and it will just help add extra hold to your product. I love the way this smells. If you've ever tried the DesignMe Bounce Me Curl Balm, this smells the exact same way. We had that in a Curls Monthly over 2 years ago, but we get asked about that product all the time. Maybe it'll be back someday, but in the meantime, this smells exactly like it. It's also great for root touch-up. So if your roots are looking flat, really great way to bounce those up, and also great for hairstyles. So if you put your hair in like any type of bun of any type, then you can just spray that on there to like lock the style in place. I love the ingredients, and I love going through the ingredients with you so you're really able to see actually formulation-wise what this does and what this can bring to your routine. So the first ingredient we have after water is PVP and then VPVA copolymer. Both of those ingredients do very similar things. Basically, they are holding ingredients. So they are literal, like what makes a gel, what makes a hairspray. They are going to latch onto your hair and help curl families form. It's going to add hold. It will also add that little bit of crunch to your hair that you're used to when it comes to like a hairspray or a gel. If that does occur, you can always just scrunch or clap the crunch away and the crunch will go away completely. Then we have glycerin, which is an ingredient that helps draw moisture into your hair. Then we have propanediol, which is another moisturizing agent. Propylene glycol absorbs and retains moisture. Then polyquinone 68 is a filling agent that's going to help add shine. Polysorbate 20 is a frizz taming agent. Then PEG 40 hydrogenated castor oil. It's just gonna make your hair smooth, but it's also not going to be a super heavy version of castor oil because that PEG 40 is basically meaning that it's sort of like chemically altered and it's going to make it a little bit less potent. And then we have PEG 12 dimethicone. Now dimethicone is classically a silicone, which is classically a no-no ingredient for our hair. When you have the PEG 12 in front of the dimethicone, that basically makes the dimethicone, again, more watered down, I guess you could say, but it makes it like so it's able to be water soluble and not have the side effects that silicones typically have. Then we have carbomer, which is another holding agent. Hydrolyzed vegetable protein going to help add strength and bounce to your hair. Marluta fruexa oil, butchered that name, but that adds shine. Morongo seed oil helps promote hair growth. Mango fruit extract is also great for locking moisture in your hair. So truly, really well formulated product. I'm really excited for you to try this. I think you're gonna love it. So without further ado, let's hop to this fun volume hack. So POV, I'm you. I have just finished my curly hair routine and I have not yet scrunched out the crunch. So this is me basically just styled my hair, but did not scrunch or clap the crunch. It is definitely have to be 100% dry in order to move on to the step. And I actually got this idea / method from @Curlies with Julia. She's another curly hair creator. She created this method and I love it. I've been doing it for the past few wash days. It works really, really well. So again, my hair is washed, styled and it is dry, but pre-clapping out the crunch. So I'll take my DesignMe Bounce Me Curl Spray Gel and I'm going to flip and spray my root area. So my root area, yes, is back here, but you also need to make sure that you're getting up here because your roots are also up there, and then also just like in the middle. Now you want to take your diffuser and we're going to turn it on, and then basically still upside down, I'm going to dry the hairspray, which really doesn't take too long, probably takes like 30 seconds to a minute. So let's do that. It is that easy. And then when I flip over, I'm going to have a lot more volume. I really do have a lot more volume. So it's that easy just to add like that much more volume at the end of your routine. Again, the DesignMe Bounce Me Curl Spray Gel is so great for this. That one that you get inside of Curls Monthly is pretty big, so it should last you a little bit, but hey, extra volume in like under a minute, I will definitely take it. My hair is not as voluminous as it was before because I'm filming this before I film that, but we love a good hairspray hack. I hope that this video helped you. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up if it helped you at all, and thank you for watching.